In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Google Drive using a web browser on a computer. This is a quick and reliable way to organize your files, keep your work tidy, and make everything easier to find. All you'll need is an internet connection and a Google account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to drivegoogle.com. You can type that directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window. Make sure you're on the official Google Drive site before moving on. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your credentials and follow any on-screen prompts. If you use extra verification for your account, complete that step as well. Once you're signed in, you'll land in My Drive, which is your main workspace where all your files and folders live. On the left side of the screen, look for the button labeled New. It's usually near the top of the sidebar and has a plus symbol. Click that button to open a menu of options for creating and uploading items. From the drop-down menu, choose Folder. This option creates a new, empty folder in your My Drive. A small window will appear asking you to enter a name. Type a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. For example, you might name it something like Work Documents, Travel Photos, or Class Notes. Avoid special characters that might be confusing, and keep the name short but meaningful. If you change your mind, don't worry. You can rename the folder anytime. After you've entered the name, click Create. Google Drive will instantly create the folder and add it to your My Drive. You should see it appear in your list of items, usually in alphabetical order. If you don't see it right away, try sorting your files or using the search bar at the top to find the folder by name. Your new folder is now ready to use. You can open it by clicking once to select it and then double-clicking to go inside. From there, you'll be able to keep your files organized and, when you're ready, add content into it. The great thing about Google Drive is that everything saves and syncs automatically, so your new folder will be available on any device where you sign in to the same account. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.